you mix it with the oil, and then you have seen when people are falling and they are being delivered, you have seen the pastors opening their mouth and spraying the mortuary water in their mouth like this, and then you find somebody, they believe that now demons are coming out. The mortuary water cannot remove any demon. What they does is that they initiate you, you get initiated into that church. So in that church you will be like a dead person. Whatever you are told, you will just do. It's given to you. Then I asked him, how do I get a virgin now? He told me, virgins are in school. He told me, now I will give you another thing again. He gave me a ring. Then a big ring. Then he told me, this ring, you put it on your finger like this. And when you go to a school, you are invited in a girls' school, especially a girls' school. Just go there, and then after you have preached, just lay hands on the girls. And the girl that you like most, just lay your hands on her like this and try to knock her head with this ring. Then you leave her like that. Then after you have left the place, she will look for you. She will ask you for your number, and she will look for you, and she will actually come specifically for sex. And I said, okay, I'm not going to try the one for manhood. Let me try the one for the girls, because I was really shocked that what is this now? Are this magic? How do they work? So I didn't believe. So I tried the ones with the ring, and I went to a certain school. I won't mention the name of that school. It is in Keyo Marakwet there. I can't mention the school. I don't want I know the principal is still alive. I don't want him to sue me. So I went there. And I was praying, oh, those the guys there are black. So I was looking for the one who is brown. And I I saw one that is brown. So I called her, come here. The Holy Spirit is talking to me. The Holy Spirit, come here, come here. Then she comes, and then I lay my hands on her. And then, of course, she falls down like that. And then after that, surprisingly, after the service, she comes and tells me, man of God, can I have your number? Then I'm like, why? This thing is working like that. Then I give her my number. Then I leave the place. And during the holiday vacation, she calls me. Where are you? I'm in a certain place. I would like to come and visit you, so I need prayers. Oh, come, no problem. Then I don't have fare. And then I send her the money. Then she comes. Then it happens like that. Then the microphone on Sunday with the white handkerchief.
Wow.
Within 3 months, the church was 300 members. 3 months. You won't imagine.